Starting with greater than, we know that 5 is greater than 3, so we represent this using the greater than sign, but it's easiest to show this using a number line. Pro tip when you're taking your exam, if a question asks you to use a visual or how would you use a visual representation for showing your students greater than, less than, or equal to, remember to use a number line. Next, how about if we use negative numbers? Well, now we see that -3 is greater than -5. Students will understand this concept faster when we show them and use a number line. Next, let's talk about less than. When one number is to the left of another, it's less than the other number. So the other way to put it is that -5 is less than -3. Again, we use the comparative symbol to show this. -5 is less than -3. And if you're having a hard time remembering the direction of the comparative symbol, or if your students are having a hard time with it, remember the age-old grade school analogy of the hungry alligator that always bites and eats the bigger side. Next, comparing fractions can be more challenging for our students to comprehend. Which is bigger, 1/2 or 1/3? To help our students visualize these rational numbers, we'll plot these fractions on two separate number lines that are equally spaced apart. And here we can see that 1/2 is less than 3/4, or 3/4 is greater than 1/2. Yet sometimes numbers are equal to each other. For example, 3/4 is equal to 0.75, and the square root of 9 is equal to 3. Now, if a question on your exam is looking for a specific number and all the numbers to the right of the number line, we'd say that's greater than or equal to. Notice here that to create this symbol, we simply add the horizontal line below the greater than sign. And conversely, if a question on your exam asks for the numbers on and to the left of a specific number on the number line, they're looking for less than or equal to. Comparative language is a fundamental tool in math. By mastering these comparisons, you'll be well on your way to fostering number sense in your students and acing your exam.